Guys, now I'm gonna show you how to cheat with Kashmir. First thing, you're gonna go on Play Store, search for MCPE Master, and search it. As you can see, there's a master at the very first. As you can see, I don't want to update it. Let's go back. As well, like I saying, let's go. You don't need to press Minecraft to get this. Just press MCP Master, and as you can see, okay, can you see that in the middle? Press Start Play. Then as you can see, it's moving. Actually, this is, you can cheat, teleport, anything. First thing I'm gonna do is go on survival made by Lazy. As you can see, I have potions. I can get, if I want to teleport, I'm gonna add this number 1. Then I'm gonna go down. As you can see, I'm down. Kashmir, tignan mo to. Kashmir, tignan mo tong magic ko. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! As you can see, you're already up your house. Look, you see? Kashmir, please watch my video because I really like to someone subscribe my video in Minecraft. As you can see, you can use this whenever you like. Oh, then look, I'm gonna show you something enchanted. If for example, I'm gonna golden, then press this, then add. Then if you can see now, there's golden. Now this is not unbreaking. Now you can kill by only one pressing. I'm gonna show you. I'm not joking, guys. Wait, I'm gonna get some golden apple. Okay, 64. As you can see, there's a golden apple. Eat it. We're gonna eat it until our hunger will be fast. See? Did you see that, guys? If they hit me, they will die. See? So guys, I want you to use MCP Master so you can cheat. And if the mobs hit you, if the mobs hit you, they will die, not you. As you can see, they're killing me. Now, let's talk about this, guys. I'm gonna show you how to put a name tag. First, you need an anvil. As you can see, I have anvil. Then get some spawn villager in here. The very last eggs. Then go on spawn villager, only one. I will write Dr. Trior. I mean Kashmir Teves. Okay, let's try. Kashmir Teves. Okay, as you can see, it must be you have this enchanted. You have enchanting. You have number 6 enchanting, as you can see. So if I found this, did I get the door? Okay, put the door back, and as you can see, this Kashmir Teves. Whoa, that was awesome. I'm gonna screenshot one. As you can see, his name is Kashmir Teves. Oh my god, you can do in your goats, pigs, and anything. You can also use things, wool, anything. All they can use. This farm is already big. As you can see, look at this farm. Very nice and very big. Now I'm gonna go at this farm. As you can see, the name tag. Let's go back with him. I can name this bowl into other. Let's try to name it into Trioros says bow. Then as you can see, then if I click this and click this, Trioros is bow, it will say, okay, it's getting night. Thanks again for watching my video. Oh, I forget, as you can see, this is only 2. I will shoot 2 times. 1, 2. Never ends. Okay, I'm not joking. Check my inventory if there's another one. As you can see, there's no arrows. It's only 2. But look what's happening. See? You can shoot whatever you want. It will not. As you can see, it's not finishing. Even there. Even there. Even there. So please guys, I want you to download this mod. I mean, download this. Oh my god. I want you to download this MCP Master. This is not a mod. Thanks again for watching my video. Please subscribe. Kashmir, I want you to look at this. This is very awesome. Thanks again for watching my video. Hope you like it. Oh my god. This zombie's coming. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video. Thanks again for watching. See you guys later. Good.